In this video, we are going to learn how to create data inside the file, or we can say how to create a data inside the existing file. So we had already created a file which is python.txt, and now I'm going to use a Python script which is file.py from desktop. Just click on file, just click on open, click on desktop, and now click on file.py. So here I'm going to use w, which is used to write the file, and now I'm going to create a string which is str, and after that I'm going to assign some string which is hello world. So here the hello world is a string which is stored inside the variable str, and now I'm going to use a function which is write, file.write. Inside the parenthesis I'm going to use a variable which is str. So this hello world is stored inside this function write, and after the write you have to close this file using close function. And now let's run this module. So here we did not get any error, so let's move to the file which is python.txt. just open it. So here you can see there is a string which is hello world. So this is the way to create a data in your file using Python script. And now I'm going to delete this data. Just save this, just close this. And now let's move to the Python script, and here I'm going to change something which is str input. Inside the input I just write which is enter some data. And now let's run this module. And now I'm going to write something which is I am from Python. Just click enter. And now let's go to the file which is python.txt, and here you can see there is a string which is I am from Python, which we have typed in our Python script. So this is the way to create a data using Python script.